Now, what we're redoing here is we're re-looking at a vision board that has been created for you already. And all you need to do is look at this board and choose one or two things that really resonate with you that you would like to bring more of into your life in 2025. The first one that jumps out to me is abundance. So I am going to be manifesting abundance in my life in 2025. And the way that I know that manifesting abundance is by giving thanks and appreciation for the abundance that already exists in my life. Because abundance isn't something that we find somewhere over there. Abundance is a mindset. And when we start looking for abundance, we start seeing it everywhere. So however you choose to define abundance, maybe it's financial abundance, maybe it's an abundant amount of love, maybe it's having an abundant amount of time where you feel like you have plenty of time to do all the things that you want to do. Write down your definition of abundance and then give thanks and appreciation for the abundance that already exists in your life. The next one is creativity. And I love this because creativity is something that I am definitely going to be focusing on more in 2025. I want to be more creative. I want to express myself more creatively. And so this is a great reminder for me to do just that. To look at the creative ways that I can express myself and to give thanks and appreciation for the creativity that already exists within me. Creativity is already there. It's always been there. It's always will be there. You are a creative being. You are a creative soul. And so give thanks and appreciation for that. The next one is travel. And this one makes me so happy because I love to travel. I love experiencing new things, going on adventures. It's one of my greatest joys in life. And so I am going to be manifesting more opportunities to travel in 2025. More opportunities to go on adventures, to experience new things. And I'm going to be doing this by giving thanks and appreciation for the travel that already exists in my life. Because again, it's not about looking over there. It's about what we've already got. We've already got the travel. It's already there. It's already within us. It's already all around us. We just need to open up our eyes and our hearts to see it. So take a few moments to look at this vision board. Really see what jumps out to you. What are you excited about? What do you want more of in your life? And then once you've got that clear, then start giving thanks and appreciation for that thing already exists in your life. Because when we focus on what we're grateful for, when we focus on what we already have, that's when the magic happens. That's when we start to see the abundance of our lives. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.